Good morning, second graders. This is Mrs. Andrea, and I am going to be discussing lesson 2, time to the half hour. First, I am going to show you an analog clock that I have here. And I want you to remember that time is a measure of how long something will take to finish. For example, many movies take about 1 hour and 30 minutes to finish. Let's see. Here we have an analog clock with a minute hand that is a long hand and a short hand that is the hour hand. 1 hour has 60 minutes. So today we're going to learn what is half of that hour. So if an hour has 60 minutes, that means that half hour is 30 minutes. Okay, so when an hour starts, the minute hand is pointing at 12, and we can say o'clock. When the minute hand points at 6, it's half past the hour. Here we can see that when I was moving this minute hand, the hour hand also moved. And now it's in between two numbers. Here we can see that is 12:30 or half past 12 because this 30 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30, these 30 minutes have already passed. And that is why we say half past. Here, if I move the minute hand again, the other 30 minutes will pass, and there we have 1 o'clock. So, if I move it again, and the minute hand point at 6, which are 30 minutes or half past, we can see that the hour hand is now in between 1 and 2. That means that it's 1:30 or half past 1. Okay? Now, in the digital clock, we see numbers. We see the hour hand in the left side. We see a column that it's going to be separating the hours with the minutes, and then we see the number 30. If we read this time, it's 1:30 or half past 1. Now let's go back to the book. Let's pass the page, and it says, you can show time to the half hour. 1 half hour is 30 minutes. This clock shows half past 2. There we see that the yellow part of the clock is the time that is already passed. So we read 2:30 or half past 2. And here in the digital clock we see 2:30. Let's read the helpful hint. The hour hand moves halfway to the next number and as a half hour passes. Okay, so the hour hand points between 2 and 3 and the minute hand points at 6. This is always the same way. Okay, let's go to number 1. In number 1, we see that half of the time has already passed and it's 9:30 or half past 9. In number 2, what time is it? 1:30 or half past 1. Number 3, 6:30 or half past 6. Very good. Write the time. And now we're going to continue. You're going to continue on your own. You're going to be doing page 601, the independence practice on your own. Problem solving you will not have to do today. And you're going to go straight to the homework, complete 603 and page 604. Have a nice day. Bye bye.